और हम 15K हो गए हैं. Oh my God! Congratulations to you all and to me as well. And thank you so much. I'm so happy. I cannot even tell you. This is so good. 15K. 30. 5 number. Oh my God. So happy. Thank you so much for everyone जिन्होंने ये possible किया. And today obviously I wanted to celebrate. तो मैंने सोचा कुछ different हो जाए. And I don't know why, पर मुझे लगा मेरी failure story might be interesting to you and you guys might like that. So that's what we are going to do. Let's go. Let's talk about it. Okay, so it's not really that dramatic, but to me it was क्योंकि जिस time में हुई थी, जिस situation में पूरी चीज़ हुई थी, it was dramatic, you know. So I'm just putting it out there, and it is a study-related, school-related story. Basically, एक school ने कहा हम आपको नहीं रख सकते हैं, आप बहुत जाहिल हैं. So yeah, and to a baby, like I was in 5 class then, no, 6th class. Okay, मैं 6th class का admission ले रही थी. So here's what happened. So आधा घंटा मेरे घर वाले शोर कर रहे थे. I love doing this. Of course, YouTube is so easy. So where were we? Okay, हाँ, तो I was in 6th class, मतलब मैं आने वाली थी, admission लेना था. I passed my 5th class और हमने शिफ्टिंग की. ये जब मैं छोटी थी तब हम बहुत ज़्यादा शिफ्टिंग करते थे, अप एंड डाउन होता रहता था. सो दिस वाज अ वेरी नॉर्मल रेगुलर थिंग. पर नई जगह जाते हुए आपको नया स्कूल देखना पड़ता है और वो सारी नई नई चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं. ओके, सो वी वर डूइंग दैट एज वेल, राइट. मेरी आंट यहाँ रहती थी. सो शी टोल्ड माई मॉम कि भाई ये बहुत अच्छा स्कूल है, यहाँ चलो, यहाँ इसको एडमिशन दिलाते हैं. एंड माई मॉम सेड चलो ठीक है, देख लेते हैं. पर वो एडमिशन टेस्ट लेते थे. नाउ एट दिस टाइम मैं बेस्ट स्टूडेंट नहीं थी, बट आई वॉजंट वर्स्ट. अराउंड 4th या 3rd आती थी. इवन 4th, 5th, 3rd, ये तीनों पोजिशन होती थी इन क्लास में ही. I just lost my tempo. 3rd, 4th and 5th, ये तीनों पोजीशन होती थी मेरी क्लास में. मतलब इनमें से कोई एक, ऑब्वियसली तीनों एक टाइम पे नहीं थी. और परसेंटेज यूजुअली 90s, 85 अबव रहती थी. कभी कभी 88 और 99. ठीक है, ऑफ कोर्स बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ते हैं. सो इवन इफ यू गेट 90, देयर वाज वन टाइम 96 or 95 percentage and I was 3rd or 4th. But yeah, that used to happen. So that was perfectly fine. इससे पहले मैंने 3-4 स्कूल चेंज किए थे, है ना. Yeah, and I was fine. Admission मिल जाता था, टेस्ट क्लियर कर लेती थी. It was all okay. So I went to this school. अब मैं स्कूल में एंटर हुई, I didn't like the school itself. मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. And I went, Mom, what is this? I don't want to come here. अच्छा, वो गर्ल्स सेपरेट स्कूल में था. तब मुझे नहीं पता था इट वुड ऑल्सो बी अ प्रॉब्लम. बट जैसे ही मैंने वो स्कूल देखा और प्रीवियस स्कूल जो मेरा पहले वाला स्कूल था, बिग डिफरेंस. ये एक बीच में छोटा सा गंदा सा स्कूल नहीं होता, ये वैसा था. यू नो व्हाट, आई कैन इवन गिव नेम्स. शुड आई गिव नेम्स? या, एडिटिंग मी डजंट वांट टू गिव द नेम क्योंकि क्या फ़ायदा. It's a story. I want you guys to know me, not bash other people or other school. वरना difference क्या रह जाएगा, right? So we are not giving any names. However, जो मेरा पहले वाला school था, that was Shadow, and it was a really good school, at least at that time for me. So yeah, okay, continuing the story. So वो school था and it looked really bad. Okay, and I used to study in Shadow. So वो different school था. वो था गुलशन साइड में, गुलस्तान जौहर एंड ऑल. एंड ये था दिल्ली कॉलोनी साइड पे. एंड ये बिल्कुल अंदर दिल्ली कॉलोनी में था. एंड इट वाज नॉट गुड. स्कूल में जाते स्कूल वाली फीलिंग नहीं आई. मैंने मम्मा को बोला भाई मुझे यहाँ नहीं. व्हाट इज दिस? Mom said, shh, let's go, test कर लेते हैं, and then I knew कि and then वाली situation हो सकती है, so I was like ठीक है, टेस्ट देने में मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, so मैंने टेस्ट दिया. Now everything was fine, ठीक है, and according to me I did really well, if not the best. But now here is the cherry on top. जो प्रिंसिपल थी उन्होंने हमें बड़े प्यार से बिठाया और बुलाया. I was like okay fine, let's talk. Now I'm a kid, ठीक है, मैं अभी 5 क्लास क्रॉस की है, I'm in my ponytail and I'm really petite with छोटी slim सी और naive भोली सी बच्ची थी who didn't know a lot, okay, and my mom was there and so was my aunt. Embarrassing moment, I tell you. So हम बैठे. Now the teacher was like, English अच्छी है, maths अच्छी है. Oh, forgot to tell you the main part. अच्छा, situation ये थी कि वो कोई और बच्चे लेना नहीं चाह रही थी or something. उनके पास full बच्चे थे. But somehow my aunt apparently convinced her कि आप एक और ले लें. She's good. So I'm not sure why she did what she did. But I think वो इस वजह से था, वो और बच्चे लेना नहीं चाहती थी and she tried to dish me out. Insult me because why not? बच्चे को मारो. So instead of saying, hey, we love you, but हमारे पास जगह still नहीं है, bye bye. What she did was she started going on this lecture, this rampage. आपकी उर्दू बहुत गंदी है. And I was like, what? That's a first. उर्दू के लिए मुझे कभी किसी ने कुछ नहीं कहा. She went, नहीं, आपकी ज़बर से पेश नहीं है. और आपको लिखना नहीं आता, और आपको ये नहीं है, आपको वो नहीं. And oh my god, the way she kept talking about it, मतलब full on insult कर दी. आपको रखेगा भी कौन? You should go in 4 class, you should go in 3 class. You are not a suitable candidate for 6th class. And she straight up said it. अब वो सबसे ज़्यादा इशू ज़बर ज़ेर और पेश पे बनाई थी. आपने तो वो भी नहीं लिखे, आपको तो ये भी नहीं आता, आपको वो भी. Now अब तक even in my first year, no teacher ever told me कि आपको ज़बर ज़ेर पेश लिखने होते हैं, और ज़्यादातर लोग लिखते भी नहीं हैं, right? बहुत कम लोग लिखते हैं, and that's fine. और बहुत कम words में हम लिखते हैं, that's also a thing. So this was a very new thing to me. अब मैं सोच रही हूँ, लेकिन वो बंदी कंटिन्यूसली कुछ ना कुछ बोले जा रही है, एंड शी वॉज इंसल्टिंग माई पेरेंट्स, लाइक फुल ऑन कि इसको एडमिशन वैसे भी कौन देगा, ये तो ऐसे हैं, एंड वी हैव सच ब्राइट स्टूडेंट्स एंड ब्ला 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 ब्ला. शी वेंट ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन. लाइक उस बंदी ने सही जितनी भड़ास उसके दिल में होगी, घर से गुस्सा करके आई होगी, लड़के आई होगी, जितना उसके दिल में था उसने वो सब बोल दिया. Now, being a kid, I really took it to my heart. Obviously, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा. I was like, that's not true. That's not right. अच्छा, बचपन से a few things, like mainly I didn't want anyone to complain to my parents. My parents are very chill. But a complaint coming from someone else, कि कोई और आके शिकायत लगाए या कोई चीज़ बोले, they do mind it and they do say कि गलतियाँ करो, it's okay, it's fine, but try कि कोई complaint ना आए, कोई ऐसी situation ना हो. Try to resolve things on your own, right? Which is great, which was such a good advice. And it doesn't mean कि मैं उनके साथ share नहीं कर सकती. I still share stuff and I go, ये हो गया तो क्या करूँ? But they did say that कोई और आके और फजूल की टेंशन, फजूल के हंगामा, like people love doing, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. So that makes sense. That makes perfect sense to me at least. So जब ये सारी situation हुई, अच्छा उन्होंने जितनी हरकतें और जितनी चीज़ें बोली, जितनी खराब मेरी उर्दू बोली, उतनी आज तक किसी और ने नहीं बोली. First of all, my first year inter teacher बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं थी. Story for another time. She was fine, but she was not a piece of cake. बहुत ही tough थी, बहुत ज़्यादा. इतना भी teachers को tough नहीं होना चाहिए, please. But still, she had no issue with my Urdu. उन्हें writing से मसला नहीं था, और उन्होंने मुझे नहीं कहा ज़बर से और बैश डालो. She didn't say anything. The point being कि जो मेरी लाइफ की सबसे toughest टीचर थी उन्होंने भी ये चीज़ नहीं बोली. But this person said all that and then she said हम एडमिशन नहीं दे रहे, bye. And she sort of like, you know, वो situation होती है जब आप किसी को kick out करते हो. She tried to do that. And then we were walking back home and I was crying. I was like, you know, and I was really upset. And then my aunt said some things too, and my mom was like, honey, it's fine. And then she did console me a lot. फिर जब घर आए तो she consoled me a lot, and my dad too. And my dad said, no, हम class पीछे नहीं करेंगे, and we know you are really good. And I was like, I don't even want to go to that school. I hated that school. Why am I so upset? But it was like, you know, slap in the face, चमाट पड़ गया हो एक सही वाला किसी ने मार दिया हो. It was that sort of situation. So this principal, I hope I never see you again, and I hope no one else ever sees you again as a principal because you really are bad. And I don't say that for everyone. As a principal, you are bad. अगर उनको बच्चे नहीं चाहिए थे, she could have just said, you know, I don't want to admit you. I'm sorry. Bye bye. You are good, but I can't admit you. अब मेरे अम्मा अब्बा गन पे तो नहीं कर रहे थे ना, और कर भी नहीं रहे थे. I didn't want to go to that school in the first place. I hated that school. But that happened. And I was really upset for a few days. But my mom and dad did cheer me up and they said, it's okay, you know. उसके बाद I had to go for a tuition just for Urdu writing. English writing and Urdu writing both. अच्छा मेरी writing थोड़ी, it has always been problematic. But it wasn't as bad as this person said. And ज़बर से और पेश पे जिन्होंने मसले खड़े किए, oh my god, it sounds like Fizza Shizza. Get the reference? Honestly, it was like that. उन्होंने issue बनाया out of nothing, out of an impossible thing, out of something that nobody learns or does ever. So, हाँ. Then I really worked harder. मतलब उसके बाद because of my mom dad in a situation जहाँ पे शायद मेरी motivation बहुत lose हो जाती, क्योंकि मैं तो पढ़ रही थी अपने हिसाब से, तो I did my best and this teacher just चमाट लगा दिया. तो मैं शायद if I should be honest, मैं पढ़ना छोड़ देती. And if मेरे पेरेंट्स की जगह कोई और होता, most probably वो मुझे काफ़ी डांटता या पनिश करता, या I would have been grounded and stuff. वो मुझे मना नहीं रहे होते, you know. You get it? But you know, because the situation was different and we have a different family dynamics और चीज़ें बहुत different है हमारे लिए, so I was able to, you know, outgrow it and get on with the life. After that, I started working really hard. I became a nerd for a while. अभी भी हूँ sort of, लेकिन I'm not really truly a nerd. But yeah, the reason I say I'm not truly a nerd is because I think being a nerd is pretty cool. मतलब आप पढ़ रहे हो, आप चीजें देख रहे हो. I get bored. I'm sorry. But yeah. So I started studying and then I would come first, second and third. It went from third, fourth and fifth, first, second and third. So that was the end, but that was only because of my parents. Teachers should not do it. Teachers should not bash their students like that. Okay? And the way she bashed me, hands down, अगर मुझे घर में डांट पड़ती, hands down, अगर मुझे वो चीज़ ऐसे ही जहन में रहती, मैं पढ़ना छोड़ देती. I wouldn't have studied. क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से I was studying and I was really good at it. My first result after that, even my Urdu, जब मैंने कुछ पढ़ा भी नहीं था, I got full marks. And it wasn't because मैंने कोई extra practice की थी, वो बाद में शुरू हुआ था. I think a few months later, जब मैंने एक स्कूल में adjust कर दिया, तो फिर we started a new tuition. That was usually a rule in our house, like, you know, adjust in one thing, सुकून से, then you go for something else. But yeah, अगर वो टीचर सिर्फ उस टीचर की बात रहती, सिर्फ वो चीज़ रहती, तो I won't be here. मैं शायद पढ़ना छोड़ देती because of the whole bashing thing. और मेरे अम्मा अब्बा, अगर मेरे अम्मा अब्बा ये वाले नहीं होते, कोई और होता, maybe a little bit strict parent, या जिसको इतना आइडिया नहीं होता कि क्या हुआ, he would have been pissed too, right? And then वो punish करते हैं, and how would it go when you have done everything right और फिर भी punish मिलेगी, तो obviously आप क्या करोगे? Why should I do everything right? Why not party and then get punished, right? So the end is, I'm still here, I am good, but the teacher was very pathetic. If someone wants to take something away from this video, it would be first, failures happen. We can't let them run our life just like that. That was a failure. What came down? Ah, it's K. Okay, bye bye. You have served your purpose. And second would be कि it might not always be your fault. Because उन्होंने हमें टेस्ट भी नहीं दिखाया at the end जब हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि आप एटलीस्ट दिखा दें. So we will see how bad it is, you know. My mom will see, my dad will see. Come on, show us the test. She said no. It's our policy. We never show the test. Okay, Miss Ma'am. Oh. And next thing is for teachers. If you are a teacher, if you are teaching anyone, even if you are someone who is an elder brother, sibling, कोई बड़े बहन भाई हो, अम्मा अब्बा हो, doesn't matter, जो भी हो, just try not to be too harsh to your kids. Give them space, talk to them, communicate, and yeah, you might be able to handle such situations in a better way. I can tell you, if my mom dad didn't handle it the way they did, मैं पढ़ना छोड़ देती. Because, you know, it just makes sense. And I was bashed for nothing. I can still guarantee you. अगर उनके पास टेस्ट होता तो अभी भी मैं खुद को A दे देती. I'm sad. Life is so cruel. Anyways, that's it for this video. I don't know how this went. It was my first story time. I hope आपको अच्छा लगा और नहीं लगा and you're like, shut up, we don't want to hear it. That's fine too. You can tell me. I'll hear it from you. And study videos are आएंगी soon enough. I'm trying to work on it. But you know, I told you, right? My grandmother died. And after that, things have been a little meh. Not so great. Now they are normal, but you know, उसके बाद I have started something new as well. I'm so excited for this. If it works out, I will let you know. But हाँ, और notes भी बनाने हैं. There's a lot on my plate. I am thinking कि एक एक करके कुछ ना कुछ करना शुरू करूँ, but it's gonna take time. However, I'm super thankful to you guys. Thank you so much for everything. Like, it's amazing how you guys are still watching my videos, and I know सारी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, but still, you know, you make it work. कुछ अच्छी हैं, कुछ बुरी हैं. And I'm also thinking about my masters, so there's that. There's a lot on my plate right now, okay, and it's hard to do everything together, you know, juggle karna. So I'm trying my best. Hopefully you'll have a new video soon. Until then, subscribe and yeah, give this video a thumbs up and also comment below and let me know if I should tell you more stories because there are many. Yeah. Bye.